Over 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system was born, emerging from the remnants of ancient stars and cosmic dust. These remnants, scattered across the cosmos, held within them the building blocks of everything we see today. But how did it all begin? How did these scattered particles come together to form the complex and dynamic system we now call home? It all started within a giant molecular cloud, a vast cold region filled with gas and dust. These clouds, often spanning light years across, are the nurseries of stars and planets. Somewhere in this swirling chaos, a shockwave, perhaps from a nearby supernova, set the stage for an incredible transformation. This explosion sent ripples through the cloud, compressing the gas and dust and triggering a gravitational collapse. This shockwave rippled through the cloud, causing sections to collapse under their own gravity. As these regions collapsed, they began to heat up and spin, forming dense cores. One of these areas, a dense region, would become the birthplace of our Sun. This core, rich in hydrogen and helium, continued to collapse and heat up, eventually reaching temperatures high enough to ignite nuclear fusion. As gravity pulled more gas and dust inward, the cloud began to spin, forming a rotating disk, a protoplanetary disk. This disk, filled with swirling material, would eventually give rise to the planets, moons, and other bodies in our solar system. At its core, temperatures and pressure skyrocketed, igniting nuclear fusion, and our Sun was born. This new star, blazing with light and energy, began to influence the surrounding disk, shaping the future of our solar system. With the birth of the Sun came intense light and heat, pushing away lighter gases from the inner solar system while leaving denser material behind. This process, known as solar wind, helped to clear the inner regions of the disk, allowing solid particles to dominate. In this turbulent disk, particles collided, sticking together to form larger and larger clumps. These collisions were not always gentle. They often resulted in violent impacts that shattered and reformed the growing bodies. These clumps, called planetesimals, were the building blocks of planets. Over time, through a process known as accretion, these planetesimals collided and merged, growing into protoplanets. Over millions of years, they grew through countless collisions, forming the rocky planets closest to the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets, composed primarily of silicate rocks and metals, became the inner solar system's terrestrial worlds. But farther out, where it was colder, lighter elements like hydrogen and helium gathered around massive rocky cores, forming the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and icy giants, Uranus and Neptune. These planets, with their thick atmospheres and numerous moons, dominate the outer solar system. These outer planets were able to capture vast amounts of gas, growing into the giants we know today. Their immense gravity also played a crucial role in shaping the orbits and compositions of other bodies in the solar system. And beyond them, in the frozen reaches, smaller icy bodies and dwarf planets formed, creating the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud. These regions, filled with comets and other icy objects, are the remnants of the early solar system, offering clues to its formation and evolution. After millions of years of collisions, mergers, and migrations, our solar system finally settled into the formation we recognize today, a star surrounded by planets, moons, and countless smaller bodies, each orbiting in harmony. This delicate balance is maintained by the gravitational forces of the Sun and the planets, creating a dynamic and ever-changing system. From a cloud of dust to a vibrant planetary system, the journey of our solar system is a reminder of the powerful forces that shape not only our world, but our very existence. These forces, from gravity to nuclear fusion, continue to influence the cosmos, driving the formation of new stars and planets. Our solar system story is a cosmic tale of creation, and it's only one of countless others out there. Each star in the night sky may host its own system of planets, each with its own unique story of formation and evolution. Join us as we continue exploring the wonders of the universe. Through telescopes, spacecraft, and other technologies, we are uncovering the secrets of our cosmic neighborhood and beyond, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it.